Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn off dark mode schedule on the Social Security website or app, follow these quick steps to adjust your display settings. Step 1. Open the Social Security website or app and log into your account. Step 2. Note that the Social Security website typically follows your system's theme settings and may not have a built-in dark mode option. Step 3. On your smartphone, go to Settings and select Display or Display and Brightness. Step 4. If dark mode is enabled on a schedule, look for the option labeled Dark Mode Schedule or Automatic. Step 5. Toggle off the schedule to prevent dark mode from activating automatically. Step 6. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and select Light to disable dark mode entirely. Step 7. On Android, go to Settings, tap Display, and select Light Theme. Step 8. On a computer, adjust your system settings by going to Display or Appearance Settings and selecting Light Mode. Step 9. Refresh the Social Security website to apply the new theme settings. Step 10. If the website continues to display in dark mode, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.